Hi, I'm Leona Mae, and I want to show you how I make origami cranes. I learned how to make them like 40 years ago, and I love making them. The first thing, there's three things. One is that the paper has to be perfectly square. So if you get origami paper, it will be perfectly square. 6-inch paper is a good size for learning. It's a little bigger than a lot of them, and it makes it easier to learn. The other thing that makes it easier to learn is to have solid color instead of print with other images in it, because it makes it harder to see the lines. When it's solid, it's simpler. And two other points. One is when we make the folds, we want to make sure that the edges are lined up really precisely. We don't want them off at all. We want them to be lined up exactly. And then when we make a fold, we want it to be really crisp. So we're going to use our fingernails to sort of iron the edges of the fold so it comes out really crisp. So when we open it up, it's really a sharp, crisp edge. So perfectly square paper, precisely lined up edges, and really strong folds will make our origami come out really great. Let's get started. Okay, so we're all done with all of our folds. Now we just need to make our crane fly. So we're going to curl the wings a little. We're not making a fold here. We're just going to sort of wrap the wing around our finger to make it a little curly, and do that on both sides. Everything with the origami is balanced and on both sides. And then open up the back of the wing. I just use my pinky and slide it into the back of the wing on both sides. And then hold all layers of the paper together right here and gently pull the tail. And now your crane can fly. To see me at the Avon Free Public Library in Connecticut. Thanks for folding with me.